Yes. Now, all get ready. As I direct you, you must do it, children. Okay, otherwise it will very good, Sachin. See, like how he's sitting, is ready, and is. I just want Kailina, please adjust your camera so that I can see your written work. I want to, yes, Archand and Anandit, they are ready. Okay, now we'll just see what you're going to do. Good morning to all. Take out your classwork note, a new page. Exactly what is done on the screen, you have to leave lines and do. Only then it will be neat. Yeah. Please write in the margin 6, 11, 20. Don't write any heading. 6, 11, 20. Don't write any heading, only this in the margin. It will take time, but you can do it neatly, slowly. Don't be in a hurry because I'm not happy with the classwork, what you're writing. It's like, it's not pakka, it's not correct, like perfect. You have to do perfect work. Now see here, just write Roman number 1. Instead of this, I put up L children for assignment 2. Just forget about it. No need to write. It's assignment 2 for the assignment, maths assignment. Instead of this 1, I put off L by mistake. Okay. Don't worry about it. You can just, because you're not writing the heading. Now write, complete the table. All these you have to write in cursive. Because for you to write the spelling correctly, ma'am is writing like this. You can write cursive. You can start with a capital letter. This is your square notebook. See the squares. And whatever ma'am give, you cannot take a lot of lines or squares. Shape. You write the shape. S, H. Don't leave any line. You just write S, H, A, P, E. Don't take more than 3 columns. See there? Draw a line till the end. 3 columns, write shape. Capital S, this can be cursive. Write the heading neatly because you have to fit all these headings in one page. One line. Which line we are writing? The same line. Shape. Draw a line till the end. I'll give all the headings. Number of faces you take only. You take. See now. Kindly please turn off your mic. I don't know for what you all are turning on your mic. Adjust and write. If you take three columns also, okay, children, make it small. Because you have to write here. Next one. Edges. Vertices. So you have to fit all this. Accordingly, you write. You got only few lines. You take only 3 columns. Ma'am has taken 4. You take only 3. Then only it will fit. If it's not fitting, you can write number of faces on the second line. See here, number of faces you can write here, second line. Number of edges you can write here. Number of vertices here. Because you don't have more than 12 squares. Take 3 squares, children. If it's not fitting here, write number of and faces down. Number of edges down. Number of vertices down. Is it clear to everybody? Take 3 columns instead of 4 columns. Take 3 columns and draw lines, children. Three columns and draw lines so that you will be able to write those headings. Number of first line, faces next line. Because you have to write all the headings in one line. I don't know where. See this one. See, Mukilan, I want to see your face, Sri Mukilan. You have to do. I want you to see. Yeah. I want to see how you're writing. You do the work. Now listen, show me the, how many columns you have now? Ah, good. Write like that. See, number of on the first one. Right. Second one, faces. Because take 3 columns and make 4 big columns. Tridev, did you understand what I said? Kushagra, take 3 columns and draw lines. Number of on the first. Okay. Number of on. Mitra, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Okay. You have to take 3 columns and draw lines. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Your camera should be on, Mitra. I want to see. Good. It's on. Good. Jeff, did you write? Show me your notebook, Jeff.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your notebook. Did all the headings fit on one line? Good. Number of faces on the next line. Rahil, show me your notebook. Show me closer. You draw the line till the end. Good. Did it fit in one line? Very good. Okay. Now we'll go back to the screen. Now see here. This is very important. If there is no space, number of faces down, number of edges. That's over. Now, you can leave one line, children, and write A, B, C, D. Ma'am did not leave. You leave and write 1, 2, 3, 4 or A, B, C, D. Right. Leave one line and write A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave one line because your squares are smaller than this. See your first one, sphere. You can count and see later how many faces. See, because you are writing only one face, sphere, ball. Circle, ball, only one face, curved face. Edges, no edge, no starting, no finishing. Number of vertices, nothing, no corner. You don't know where to start. It's only one face it has. Just imagine a sphere, a ball. Write neatly in the middle. See, like you got 3 columns here, 1, 2, 3. So in the middle, if you write the number, it will look nice. SPH, children, it has to touch the line sphere. Numbers, if it doesn't touch, no problem. Numbers, no need to touch the line. You can write in the middle of the square. SPHERD, sphere. Are you able to do, children, neatly? Alan,
Ma'am, I don't have space.
How can you say like that, Arush? That's Arush just now.
Ma'am, I don't have space to write no of vertices.
No. I told you what should you do. You have to take 3 columns and draw lines first. 3 columns. Then you have 4 big column. Number. Show me your notebook. Number of you must write on the first line, and Arush, show me your notebook. You're not listening. See how other children did. You take another page. 3 columns you take and draw lines straight. Show me, Arush. You wrote, yeah, that's not the way to write. You erase. Listen, 3. Okay, take a new page, otherwise you'll tear that page. Don't do it. Take your next page. 3 columns, draw lines till the end of the page. 3 columns. And write, I'll show you. Now listen here. Arush, 1, 2, 3. Next also 1, 2, 3, draw the line. Again 1, 2, 3, draw the line. Then last you'll have 3. You write, look at the screen, Arush, number of faces write down. Number of edges you write down. Number of vertices you write down. You'll have 4 columns. Then leave one line and write A, B, C, D. Now, hope all would have written this. The next one, B. You can leave a line and write cube. How many faces? All will tell me different numbers. Faces, how many faces? Tridip, can you tell me? No need. Because if you don't know, if you tell wrong answers, others will. Okay, now listen. 6 faces. Just imagine a dice. You can see 4 sides and up and down. 6 faces. This you have to learn, children. You have to learn it by heart. You're too small to think and tell. Edges. How many sides? 12. Copy this. If you have time, we can again do this. But it's not necessary for you. Are too small. Number of sides, 12. Only when you take a cube and count the sides. Number of corners, join place, where 2 lines join, 8. Where 2 lines join, 8. Okay, children, there's nothing to. Arush, did you write Arush? Arush, slowly. 3 columns you draw. Sachin, are you able to do? Sachin, are you able to do Sachin? Yeah, only the heading little difficult because I told you take 2 lines and write. Then you can do it. Alan, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mitra, did you write? You are writing, no problem. Leave one line and write. Okay, leave one line. Niral? Okay, Mitra, turn off your mic. Niral, show me your notebook. Niral, closer. Yes. Good, Niral, good. In the middle also you must write. Now, next one. Leave a line. Ma'am did not leave, but to look neat, you can leave. Cylinder. Anyone? How many faces? Just think of a powder tin.
2 flat faces, ma'am.
2 flat faces, 2 flat up and down and curve. 3. Never mind. 2 flat faces up and down and 1 curve. Okay. How many sides? Can tell 2 sides.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ashwant, ma'am.
Tell me, Ashwant.
Ma'am, 4 sides, ma'am.
For what? Powder tin? No. Up and down, flat 2 faces and the curved face. Okay. Now 2 edges, 2 sides. Now corners. No corners. Okay, it's all curve like. Another word for edges, side, you can keep in your mind. You can write vertices means corners. So it will be easy for you. Okay. Ma'am will make you write in home study. Edge means side. Vertices means corners. Like that. Cylinder. Akshara. Did you write Akshara? Yes, Akshara is up to substitute. That's why it's smiling away in glory. Okay. Anyone has any doubt, you must ask me. Alan, show me your notebook. Alan is not very happy today. I don't know why. Because no class tomorrow. Or must be you will have French. Good, Alan. Good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
What about my dear Kylina? Good, 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 Akshara. Kailina, did you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now. Anyway, solve. Excuse me. I will check all the notebooks later. Now you got, I don't know how many more we have. Just see. Next one, leave a line. That's very important. Cone. Yes. If it's wrong, also tell me. How many faces? How many flat? How many curve?
Ma'am, 2, ma'am.
Yes. Flat, then curve. Whoever it is, good. Thank you. How many edges, sides? 1. Only one side. Okay. How many corners? Let me see who's telling.
3.
Huh?
Ma'am,
1. See a cone, only down it's stuck. You keep the cone up or down. Only one cone, one corner for a cone. Only one corner. From there you start. Okay, 1. Never mind. You learn. Corner. What is this corner it is? I think ABCD is over. Just check, children, once again. Complete. Arush, did you write, Arush? I'll wait for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush, now you know how to do. When you don't have space, first you draw the columns and do it. Okay. Now, Effie, did you write, Effie? Show me, show me your notebook. Yeah. Show. Yes. Very good. Now, okay, very good. See, like this, I will ask you to show. You will get 5 marks for another work, 5 marks. So you will get 10. If you don't write neatly, you'll get 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 3, 3 plus 3, you will get 4. So no need to cry. Okay, good, good, Akshara. Akshara is going to get 0 because I didn't call out your name. Akshara, okay? Shall I give you 0? No. Very happy. Now listen. Take a new page. This is very, very interesting. And you must not tell the answers first. You have to count and write. Then ma'am will answer. Okay, first you have to count and write. You have to think, you have to look at Jane. Are you joining now, Jane? No. John Matthew?
Ma'am, I'm not
John, I
joining.
saw. John, I saw. John, did you write all this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
I
next
was
one.
in the class only, ma'am.
Very good. Listen, I saw you, but that I was seeing Jane after that John they were showing, so I thought you left. 1 minute. Next one you should not answer. I will give you enough time to write the answer. I will ask. Okay, now take a new page. Oh, 1 minute. One more is there, children. I didn't know. Sorry. Same page, write one more cuboid. Children, don't take a new page. One more. Cuboid. Children, one more is there. Okay. One more is there. So, one more is there. Cuboid and cube is the same. Cuboid and cube is the same. Only the shape is different. Okay. So it has 6 faces, 12 sides, 8 corners. Then okay, now sorry children, I confused them. Now you finish. Take a new page. Take a new page. Hope you'd have done, children. Sorry. Cuboid, B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Yes. Yes. Now we'll go. Otherwise, we won't have time. Now, Sia. This is, listen, excuse me, turn off your mic. Exactly like this with your scale, you have to draw M, E, A. S you can write with your hand. U you can write R. Wherever there is straight line, you have to draw with your scale because it should not be curved. E you must write, listen, M with scale, E with scale, A with scale, no freehand, please. S and they know. S and you draw the lines like that. S and you can do freehand writing. R, excuse me, listen to me, please don't turn on your mic. R should be written like standing line. See your children? This is with the scale you have to draw. This is freehand. This one's with the scale, straight line, no curve. This also you must draw with scale. This, all other things. Oh. Yes, Kushagra, what do you want, Kushagra?
And we should write in further was script.
1 minute. Each letter in each square, you draw the lines with your scale because it should be straight line. Only S and U and R, there is a curve. Because the question, I will tell you the question. See the question. Count and write the dash from the word given above. So don't worry about. Count and write the. Second line, you have to write this. Count and write. Who's sitting simply? Please write this, children. How many horizontal lines? How many vertical lines? How many? See. Don't worry about. Children, please don't write the last one. Are you right now, children? Measurement. Are you doing Tridip? Tridip, did you write first one? Yes, right. Did you write Tridip? Write slowly each letter. Good, good. What about Effie? Show me Effie. Why I'm asking you to write? You can ask your parents' help to do it fast. Because it should be straight line. Show Effie. Very good, Effie. Very good. Only S, U, and R. M, Effie, M must come down. M, you just bring it down. How it is shown there. M. Effie, there is no slanting line, Effie, for M. Look at the lines because it counts a lot. I will show you the first one, then you will know. Now, first question is, don't write the down one. How many horizontal line? Now, we are going to count. You know what is horizontal line? Sleeping. Cyrus, please do with me. Letter M, is there any horizontal line? Cyrus? No. No. E, how many lines in E? 1, 2, 3. Now in A, how many sleeping line? 1, 4. Yes, no. Listen. 3 plus 1, 4. Yes and you, no line. R, no. Again, E, tell me how many. So we finish counting 3 plus 1. Now, see here, children. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now listen. Cyrus, count with me. 8, 9, 10. Then one more sleeping. 11. So altogether, how many lines are there? Tell. How many? No. No. Once again. Once again. See ya. Everybody must see. 1, 2. Children, don't talk. Please listen because you don't know. Listen here. Look at the letter. 1, 2, 3. Sleeping line, horizontal. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only one I will do now. You must write. Did anyone get 11 line? Alan, did you get 11? Good. Now,
Yes,
the next
ma'am.
one. Those who are not doing, you can do it slowly, but let me explain to other children. Now listen, please find out the vertical line. That means standing line. Yes. Alan, you do it fast and tell me. Only vertical line, no curve lines. S and U and R is curved. So leave that. How many did you tell me?
Two vertical lines are there.
How many? Tridib, 1 minute. Tridib, just look here. Standing line, look here. 1, 2. The other one is landing. 3. 3. No. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 1 minute. 9, 10.
11.
Yes. Only 11. Standing, no curve lines. Only standing. You can count and see later. Yes. That's vertical line. You can write any word and you can find out. Now next one. Curved line. M, there is no curved line. E, no. Alan, I asked you one question, but I told the answer. Tell me for this, how many curved line?
Ma'am?
S. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, S.
Yes.
U.
Yes.
U. R.
That's all.
Ma'am, 3.
3. Very good. See, that also R got S and U got only curved line. And R got vertical line, curved line, slanting line. That R got, see here, I'll show you. This is curved line. Only one curved line. So answer is 3. Good.
Thank you.
Those who don't know, don't worry, children. Next is slanting line. Slanting, I will tell you. See your children. 1, 2. 2 lines here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many slanting lines? Once again. 1, all of you look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why I told you, you must draw lines with your scale. When you draw lines for M, E and all, if M is like slanting, you will not know. Instead of standing, you will count slanting. M is vertical line 2, slanting line 2. See here, M, vertical 2. It should be straight. That's what ma'am is given like this. And MC are like this. Clear, children? Yes or no? Okay, now 1 minute. 1 minute. How many of you finished? Let me see. Yes? How many of you finished this? Yes, my parents can help them. Because, Kushagra, don't be going on scolding your mother. Yes, Ritik, show me. Good, Ritik.
I'm finished.
Yeah, very good. See, you can draw, you can write. See that M is, who's this now? M is not correct. F-E, M middle, you have to bring it down, M. And afterwards, you draw with your, all the letters should be written with your scale. Draw. Straight. Okay, who's this child? Very good, Kylina. Jeff. Yes, Alan. Alan, I cannot see. I can see only your face. Joshika. Yes, Alan. Good. Okay. Now I'm telling you once again that word should be written by using your scale and pencil. No freehand writing, because that will change into slanting. Now please leave the class and get ready for the next class. Hurry up with classwork note. Bye-bye. Take a break.
Bye.
Yes.